Learn the vital telephone skills every salesperson needs to avoid the rejection. With the right attitude and by paying close attention to what happens, each rejection you deal with will be a learning experience. If you didn't watch the last lesson, it is time to watch it. So now we are going to see other cold calling successful phone strategies. Lastly, we have seen preparation, introduction, questioning, and objectivity. Nepu.com, quality videos when you need them. If you are doing a lot of cold calling, customer service or business call, you might want to script out your answers, but don't. I know it is common practice to work with scripts, but here is the problem. When you script, it literally sucks the emotion, the passion, the verbal warmth right out of you. Scripting shuts down your charisma and other people's engagement to you. It also shuts down your brain from thinking and feeling, so you become less engaged and engaging. Instead of scripting, bullet. Write down common question you get and write down one-word bullet points you want to hit. Now, inform and educate. Giving information fair and useful feedback. Educating effectively in response to customers' request for answers is much better than leaping in to close the appointment. Involve and coordinate. Involve the prospect in the discussion and decision to move to the next stage. Ask how they would find it most helpful to explore and move matters forward. Thank them for their time today and for the upcoming appointment. Reconfirm the date, time and location to the appointment. Ask for direction if you need them. Tell him how much preparation you will do in order to make the best use of the time you will share. Give him your contact information this way. If anything else comes to the mind that I should be aware of prior to our meeting, please contact me at, and give him your number. A successful phone strategy is keep in touch. By now you will probably be selling. Keep notes and keep informed. Keep legitimate ownership. Take full notes and keep clear records of the cold call at all stages. Schedule a meeting. If he is so interested that he wants to do it like then and there, that's okay. If face-to-face meeting is the most appropriate next stage, use the alternate of choice questioning strategy. Offer him 2 times. For example, Mr. Edgar, I can pop by your office at 3 p.m. today to discuss this further, or would 9:45 a.m. tomorrow better suit your schedule? You didn't say when can we meet? Not this. The most important part of handling the objection is asking for the appointment. Follow up. If your meeting is more than a few days in the future, send letter of confirmation immediately. Now, the last successful phone strategy is do call calculation. How many calls? What cost every call? What cost me not make phone call? How many people call for cold calling? Phone save time, save money, and make you millionaire. Alexander Graham Bell. Make the script write down every call because everybody needs a playbook. We have seen 9 successful cold calling strategies: preparation, introduction, questioning, objectivity, listen and interpret, inform and educate, involve and collaborate, keep in touch, and do call calculations. Generally, the aim of cold calling is simply to open dialogue to get to first base and possibly to make an appointment for further discussion and exploration. For example, if we want to meet with a manager of a hotel for hours. For junior people, this is not always easy, but retaining an informed and ultimately responsible interest in relationship that your cold calling instigates is the sort of behavior and determination which great careers and reputations can be built. And you will learn what not to say and when not to call. With every rejection, you will want to take a quick moment to analyze the situation in order to benefit from it, rather than letting it ruin your attitude for the next call. The key here is to turn that around so you can master what to send when to call. You will soon find your calls being well received and you will experience fewer rejections. Alright, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. If you are new to INEP channel, subscribe by clicking the subscribe button to get our latest lessons right here.
INEP team, let the world know.